Hey gang, welcome back to Restorations. Today is kind of a sorrowful but happy day here in the shop because we're retiring our old table saw. Ran into some projects. I've been trying to delay it for a while, but ran into some projects where the dimensions of the table saw just wasn't working anymore, and you can only work around stuff with so much. And so I got out there looking for a table saw, and I said, well, being that I'm still in a small shop, that means I still need kind of a job site saw, but I need one with some expandability. And so since I had a Skil saw for the last 19 years, I might as well continue with the Skil saw for the next go around here. So with that said, one of the things that I've been wanting to do with this table saw was to make a sled, a crosscut sled. However, the grooves are not conditioned to today's sled rails, but this one is. So, y'all ready for this crosscut table build? Let's get to it. Okay. All right, now we got the sled together. Let's try this bad boy out. Oh man, I should have done this a while ago. I don't know what I was holding on to the old saw for. Maybe it's some nostalgia or whatever it is, but this makes cutting these small pieces so much easier, so much better. I can get some angle wedges in here and cut things at an angle, quick, fast, in a hurry. Repeated with the gate here. I can just repeat the same measurement over and over again. And so when you're cutting all these little small pieces, it'll be great. I should have done this a while ago. Holding on to something old, and you just got to move to something new. So with all that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you got something out of it. And if you did, click that like button and hit subscribe. Help out the channel. I know it costs you nothing. It helps us out a whole lot. And don't forget to stay tuned. We got some more videos coming. We got a couple of more refurbs coming, and we just got one from Southern Virginia that we're going to be working on too. That's 80+ years old. So you guys stay tuned. Peace.